How can I tell if my bird is sick? In the wild, a bird will endeavor to uphold its strong appearance when sick. This is called survival of the fittest. By the time a pet bird actually shows an owner that it is unwell, it has likely been sick for some time. Therefore, bird owners must learn to recognize the subtle signs a bird presents when unhealthy before it is too late. What can make my pet bird ill? Many things contribute to ill health in birds. Improper diet is the most common cause of ill health in pet birds. Trauma, poor upkeep, inferior hygiene, stress, and genetic may lead to ill health. Just because the bird's outward appearance is normal does not mean the bird is healthy. Any deviation from normal should be taken as a sign of ill health, and you should contact your veterinarian immediately. General, poor general appearance, feathers look ratty, fluffed feathers look fatter, not eating, changes in eating habits, or reduced appetite, changes in amount of drinking, weakness, dropping wings, listlessness, inactivity, depression, reluctance to move, sleeping more, trauma or bleeding, changes in weight, increased or decreased behavior, any change in regular attitude, behavior, or personality, unusually tame behavior, irritability, agency, biting, eyes, closed eyes, eye discharge, red eye, cloudy eyes, swelling around or of the eyes. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more. Thank you for watching.